Hey, how's it going, my peeps? This is Michael de la Cruz, and in this video I want to quickly show you how to make money online without selling products. So don't go anywhere, because I know what it's like to to see other people earning money online and you wanting to make that breakthrough. But the thought of having to sell products and things like that is putting a stop on that. So let me tell you that you do not need to be, in order for you to make money online, you don't need to sell products, because, again, I'm not a salesperson myself. I simply know how to do one thing, and this is the one thing that you can do today to start earning money. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Okay, so there are three things you're going to need in order to make money online before I get started. And if this is your first time here, in my channel, make sure you hit that bell notification, hit the like button on this video because it helps it, and also subscribe. That way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I share things that has to do with entrepreneurship, making money online, internet marketing, building, online businesses, and things that are going to help you create self-empowerment and help you create success leveraging the internet. So if you're into any of those things, make sure that you hit subscribe, like this video because it helps it out. And if you know of somebody that can benefit from from what I'm sharing with you here, make sure you share this video with them, and let's get to it. So making money online is not really as hard as you think it is, or how people make it. It's pretty simple. It's just that you have to be consistent. But let me tell you, a lot of people, they don't take action on this path because they either treat it like a hobby or they think they had to be selling. So I'm going to share with you how I personally make money. I've been doing it for several years now, just earning passive income online without me having to do any selling at all. So the first thing you're going to need to make money online, which I mentioned before, those three things, you're going to need a product or service that truly solves a problem. So you're gonna need a product or service. Again, you're gonna need a product. You're gonna need something to offer, but you're not gonna be doing the selling. Okay. The reason why is because of the second part to making money online. You're gonna need a marketing or an efficient and an effective system that does the telling and selling on your behalf 24/7. And this is how people are able to make money. This is how I've been doing it for years. I'm able to make money while I sleep, while I'm on vacation, while I'm spending time with my beautiful wife, while I'm doing things that I enjoy doing. I don't have to be present to earn money online because I have a system in place that does the telling and selling on your behalf. Now, there are several companies out there, programs, you can call it affiliate marketing. This is the business model that I highly suggest for people just starting out. And in affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make money because you don't really have to you don't have to create products yourself. You don't have to design systems. You don't have to be techie. You don't have to invest millions of dollars to create a system. The company that you're affiliated with already did the investment, already did the market research, and they already have the products already done for you. So all you gotta do is the third part right here, which is to drive traffic, which is visitors. So once you have a product in place, then you want to go out and find people that this product or this service is gonna benefit from, right? And then all you gotta do is present this offer. I know a lot of places that you can place ads, or maybe you can create a YouTube channel, or you can create an Instagram account, and then you can create content around the product. And guess what? You're not doing the selling because the system or the company that you're affiliated with will give you a link, which is called an affiliate link. This link is what tells the company who made the sale, right? So again, you're not selling products. You're simply getting people to check out a video, check out a presentation from the company. So the company or the person promoting the product is actually the one that's doing the selling. So every time you join an affiliate program, you're gonna have a link that's gonna have a video that's gonna do the telling and selling. So that's why the system that which is the second part that does the telling and selling on your behalf, is actually how you can make money without selling products, because the system is doing it for you. All you're doing is pretty much 10%, which is because everything that you decide to do, online business, making money online requires some type of work, except that you're not going to do the same amount of work that you would do, in a regular job, right? And plus, thanks to having an online system, you can actually get paid for years and years to come from content that you created in the past. Like for me, for example, I still get, I get sales here and there from things that I created, a year ago, 2 years ago, months ago. And it's a good feeling because that's content that I created in the past, and now I'm getting paid residually for that content. And I'm not doing the selling. I'm just having people check out a video, and the video is what's doing the explanation and is doing the selling. And then if the person decides to to buy what the video is explaining, then guess what, I make commissions. So that's the way that you can make money online without selling any products. And that's how I discovered. So again, you need a product or service, something to offer. You need a system in place. This is very important because this is what's going to give you the freedom. You need an effective system that will do the telling and selling on your behalf. And there's a lot of companies out there that actually provide you with a good system, which is a marketing system where all you got to do is send this system, visitors, send in traffic. And the thing is that I can teach you how to do that. The company that you become an affiliate of usually has training on how to get traffic, how to get visitors, how to find the right people for the product, so that way the right people are watching that video or that presentation, and the presentation will do the telling and selling on your behalf. Now, if you want to know what is my number one recommendation, you can always check out that first link in the description or in the comments. Just click that link and access that free presentation. It's going to teach you how you can start making money online, without selling products, because the company, as soon as you get started, will provide you with the links so for you to promote, but it will give you the education that you need, while you're doing that, so that way you know exactly what to do, and you can set your goals, and you can start earning passive income online, like me, like a lot of people are doing it right now online, and they can do it from the comfort of their home. You can do this from anywhere. You can do this from from anywhere that has a Wi-Fi connection, and then you start getting paid by for referring people to products that you're not even selling. Now that you understand how to make money online without you having to sell products, make sure to check out that link below in the description or in the comments. It's a free presentation that you can get access to, and it will teach you exactly how you can get started today, how you can start earning money and get all these tools that I spoke to you about. You can get all of this done for you, including the training on how to get traffic into into a system that you're going to be provided with as soon as you get started and get on board. Again, this is Michael de la Cruz. Thank you for tuning in. If you got value from this video, make sure to leave me your comments and hit like. That way it helps the video out, and it helps me carry this message of freedom, because this is why I share this type of information with people, is because I want to help people succeed. I want to help people find freedom in their life. And the way you can do that is pretty much by learning this type of skills. That is actually the skill set that I'm teaching you today, is a skill set that's going to help you create unlimited income for life.